Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Evolve One. Today we will be talking about the one of the most beautiful place in हिमाचल विच इज़ धर्मशाला. मैंने अपनी फर्स्ट वीडियो में बताया था कि आप कैसे धर्मशाला या मैक्लोडगंज जा सकते हैं, आप वहाँ से क्या टैक्सी, बसेस या ट्रेन ले सकते हैं, क्या चार्जेस हैं. तो इस वीडियो में आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट सम ऑफ द प्लेसेस दैट यू कैन विजिट इन धर्मशाला और मे बी यू मस्ट गो एंड विजिट दिस प्लेसेस इन धर्मशाला. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. First place is Dharamshala Cricket Stadium, which is popularly known as HPCA Stadium. It is located in very highest altitude and is highest sports ground of the world. It's a beautiful view which is snow covered peaks from the stadium galleries are awesome. You must visit this place. Its timing is from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Its entry fee is something around 30 rupees and you should go to it to see the Himalayas range covered with mountains and everything. So you can spend around 1 to 2 hours in this place. Next place is War Memorial. It has water tanks named of brave soldiers who fought for fame of land. It is situated at the entrance of region and is a key attraction. You can easily spend 1 hour walking around the areas. Its timing is 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. and entrance fees is 10 rupees. Next place is Tea Gardens. If you are a nature lover, then you must visit this place. This place is covered with pure aroma of tea leaves. Timings to visit this place is 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and there is no entry fees. If you can easily spend an hour in this place just soaking in peaceful environment. Next place is Gaito Monastery. It is one of the most famous and popular monasteries in Tibet. The place is very peaceful. It has majestic statue of Buddha and backdrop is covered snow cloud mountain, and also it's a place where you can go for meditation. It has a prayer hall which is very nice and it has some good energy. You will get a lot of good positive amount of atmosphere when you visit this place. Next place is Norbinga Institute. It's a true testimony to great influence of Tibetan culture in India. Tibetan art and craft, food, religion, everything you can see in this institute. It is also Tibetan temple located in this premises. It has doll museum, temple, gift shop and cafe. Its entry fees is 20 rupees and you can visit this place from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. It provides training, education and employment to Tibetans in this region. So you must go and visit this institute once. If you like adventure, you can definitely go for paragliding in Manali, which is one of the famous paragliding. So they charge around 2500 to 3000 according to the season that you are going, and also you have to sign document before going to paragliding. It is very beautiful paragliding as view is definitely very good and it's surrounded by mountains. I think it's one of the best paragliding, and also you can enjoy the flight by seeing the lot of. So this is about Dharamshala. So you must go and visit these places. Thank you and stay safe. If you find my video useful, please like it, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel.